Good morning students, welcome back in your English class, and today we will solve some of the questions of the chapter Indigo written by Louis Fisher. Come to this section. First question: why did Rajkumar Shukla approach to Gandhi? Approach means visit to Gandhi. Your answer will be Rajkumar Shukla visited to Gandhi to solve the problem of Champaran sharecroppers against the injustice which was because of British landlords. यानी राजकुमार शुक्ला गांधी जी के पास क्यों गए? बिकॉज राजकुमार शुक्ला wanted Gandhi to solve the injustice or to improve the condition of Champaran sharecroppers who were tortured and exploited by the British landlords. यानी कि he wanted to get proper justice. And do you know what was happening with them? Injustice was happening. उनके साथ अन्याय हो रहा था. And Rajkumar Shukla wanted Gandhi to fight against the injustice which was because of British landlords. And most important, he wanted to the Champaran sharecroppers wanted their money back, which was given as compensation. Second question: what were the terms of contract between British landlords and peasants? उनके पास बीच क्या समझौता था? Your answer will be the Champaran peasants were sharecroppers. They had to grow indigo on their 15% of land. At last, the whole indigo harvest would be given as rent. It was done according to long-term agreement. Third question: why did Gandhi not agree to proceed to Champaran with Rajkumar Shukla immediately? Because at that time he was committed to go some part of other places. It means he was busy in some previous works. That's why he refused to go with Rajkumar Shukla. As he was dedicated, he was committed to go distant part of country. लिखा भी है इसके स्टार्टिंग में, आप देख सकते हैं चैप्टर के स्टार्टिंग में, distant part of yes era. Because Gandhi was committed to go to the other parts of India. Next question, fourth question, I think fourth or second. This is okay. Fourth question: what happened when Gandhi and Rajkumar Shukla wanted to meet Rajendra Prasad? Most important question. इस क्वेश्चन को ऐसे नहीं पूछेगा, ऐसे पूछेगा बोर्ड एग्जाम में. How was Mahatma Gandhi welcomed at the home of Rajendra Prasad? Your answer will be Mahatma Gandhi was allowed to sit. Gandhiji was allowed to sit on the ground with Rajkumar Shukla by the servants of Rajendra Prasad. And Gandhiji was not allowed to draw water from the well because he was considered untouchable. जब गांधीजी राजकुमार शुक्ला के पास साथ थे राजेंद्र प्रसाद के घर पर, he was out of town, तो राजेंद्र प्रसाद के सर्वेंट्स जानते थे किसे? राजकुमार शुक्ला को. he was a poor young man, एक peasant था, इसलिए गांधी जी को उन्होंने peasant ही समझा. And they both were allowed to sit on the ground. दोनों को ग्राउंड पर बिठा दिया गया और गांधी जी को वेल से पानी ड्रॉ नहीं करने दिया गया because he was considered untouchable by the servants of Rajendra Prasad. Next question: why did Gandhi plan to go to Muzaffarpur? Because it was en route to Champaran. ये किसके रास्ते में आता था? चंपारण के रास्ते में आता था. And next, Gandhi ji wanted to get more information about the conditions of Champaran sharecroppers. It means the information which was given by Rajkumar Shukla, it was not sufficient. Most important question: who led Gandhi to Champaran? Your answer will be Rajkumar Shukla. Rajkumar Shukla led Gandhi to Champaran. Second question: how can you say, ये बोर्ड एग्जाम में आ चुका है, how can you say that Rajkumar Shukla was resolute or determined? आप कैसे कह सकते हैं कि राजकुमार शुक्ला दृढ़ संकल्पित था? Because he never left Gandhi's side. He escorted, he followed Gandhi everywhere. At last, Gandhi was impressed by his tenacity and his story and gave him a date. Next question, 6. What was the effect of synthetic indigo on natural indigo crop? Because of synthetic indigo that was produced by Germany, the British landlords took compensation from the sharecroppers of Champaran to release them from the agreement of 15%. Next question: how did the British landlords compel poor peasants? Compel means oblige. The Champaran peasants were sharecroppers. They had to grow indigo on their 15% of land. At last, the whole indigo harvest would be given as rent. Question number 8. Why did Gandhi scold the lawyers? Scold means chide. आप बुक में पढ़ेंगे chide. C-H-I-D-E. Chide means scold. गांधी जी ने lawyers को क्यों डांटा? क्यों scold किया? Your answer will be Gandhi ji chided the lawyers because they were collecting a big fee from the sharecroppers of चंपारण, क्योंकि चंपारण के sharecroppers से काफी ज्यादा वो फीस कलेक्ट कर रहे थे फॉर देयर केसेस। तभी गांधी जी ने कहा था कि ऑन द वन हैंड जो पीजेंट्स है ये पॉवर्टी स्ट्रिकन है या फियर स्ट्रिकन है, डरे हुए हैं एंड स्मैश्ड है, डाउन ट्रॉडन है, दबे कुचले हैं एंड यू आर टेकिंग अ हाई फी। आप बहुत ज्यादा फीस ले रहे हैं, दैट इज नॉट गुड। ये गुड नहीं है, ये अच्छा नहीं है। That's why Gandhi ji scolded the lawyers. Here we can see your crushed. Book में लिखा crushed means downtrodden. Next question. How did the Champaran episode prove to be a turning point in this in the political career of Mahatma Gandhi? In Champaran episode, Gandhi ji practiced civil disobedience and non-violence. It had a great victory, and for the first time, he practiced his weapons like civil disobedience and non-violence, and it had a great triumph or victory. ये लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चन आएगा. Why did Gandhi consider Champaran episode to be a turning point in his life? And next question है, what did Gandhi do for social upliftment and poor families of peasants? The Champaran peasants were backward in every sense of word, like culturally and socially also. 6 primary schools are opened or in 6 villages. These primary schools are opened in 6 villages, and the people of Champaran, the peasants of Champaran, they are informed, they were suggested about the importance of cleanliness also. ये हमने आज ही देखा है इसके बारे में. 6 schools open किए गए थे, मैंने बताया था, and 3 medicines were available to solve the problems. Number 1 quinine, second castor oil, and third sulfur ointment. Next question, कितने schools खोले गए? Primary schools are opened in 6 villages. Students, जो remaining questions है long answers you will do yourself. आप खुद उनको solve करेंगे. If you are in doubt, you can send me messages. Like one more question, I am repeating this question once again. Why did Gandhi accept the settlement of 25%? Although he demanded for 50%, your answer will be Gandhi ji accepted the proposal for the settlement of 25%. Although we know he demanded for 50% because for Mr. Gandhi, money was not important. It was important that for the first time the British landlords were obliged, they were compelled to surrender, to give not only money but also some part of their prestige. यानी पैसा तो गया, साथ साथ उनकी इज्जत भी चली गई. और यहाँ पर एक क्वेश्चन जरूर बन सकता है बोर्ड एग्जाम में, सिंथेटिक इंडिगो को क्या असर पड़ा? तो आपका आंसर होगा, when Germany produced synthetic indigo, the Champaran British landlords, they took compensation money from the sharecroppers of Champaran to release them from the agreement of 15%. Is it clear? Who was Rajkumar Shukla? Rajkumar Shukla was one of the sharecroppers of Champaran. And why did he visit to Gandhi? To fight against the injustice of sharecroppers, which was because of the British landlords, and to take the money back which was given as compensation. Students, tomorrow we will discuss the next chapter. Till then, thank you.